Domo Power Plug
converts all your electrical devices in new IoT devices.
For the complete safety of your home.
Your house is full of small and large appliances.
TV, irrigation system, refrigerator and freezer, microwave and traditional oven, washing machine and dishwasher. Do you want to throw away old devices and buy new IoT devices? Do you want to wait for to change? Have you wait a long time before you can control your house by remotely change everything, or wait security immediately, or wait for have a safe home? If there was a way, because the old devices could be able to communicate on the internet.
The way there is. We are not far from the result, but will exist only thanks to your help.
How it works.
First, disconnect the plug. Connect the appliance to power plug.
And then, connect the power plug to the socket. Your appliance is now ready to enter the internet.
What the LEDs say.
Domo Power is plugged. Automatic mode. The internal radio is connected to the RCU.
The load is absorbing power. The device has been power off due to the maximum programmed current threshold. Battery low must be changed.
You can also install the Domo Power Plug into an electrical box.
Use the version without plug and socket.
Connects a load. You want to check.
If you want to generate a local event, connect one sensor, motion sensor,
smoke detector,
Door contact, glass break detector, or any other detector you need. Or press the button. It will generate an event as a sensor. Very useful for singles and elderly people.
How Domo Power Plus works.
All modules are connected to a concentrator named RCU.
A radio link combines all Domo power plugs to the RCU. The RCU and each Domo power plugs mount a radio module. Radios transmit and receive at 433 or 868 or 915 MHz.
A special radio probe will check the flow into the pipe.
So you will have a total control of your hydraulic system against losers and consumptions.
As the LVS system communicates IoT mode. Cloud named LS Nouveau. Receive, store and send information.
RCU, IoT converter, and local process control.
Viewer, LSV, application for remote activity, control, command, configuration, and monitor.
At home or wherever you are, your home is always with you. An ideal system for home and building automation.